Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we are once again in fabulous Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, pretty much center strip today. We're going to check out the Paris Hotel and Casino. The theme of the Paris Hotel and Casino is, well, Paris, of course. It includes a half-scale 540-foot tall replica of the Eiffel Tower, a sign in the shape of the Montgolfier balloon, a two-thirds size replica of the Arc de Triomphe, a replica of La Fond des Mers, and a 1,200-seat theater called Le Theatre des Arts. The front of the hotel suggests the Louvre, Musée d'Orsay, and Paris Opera House. And that introduction, my friends, took about 49 takes, and I'm sure I still butchered it. This is the entrance to Le Casino, so follow Jeff from New York. That's right, I said Jeff from New York. And let's go inside, n'est-ce pas? With all due respect to my French and Canadian viewers, I'm just having a good time here with the language. And again, with all due respect, I appreciate all cultures. I'm just frustrated that I don't speak more than one language. As soon as we walked in, you saw the Mon Ami Gabi, a famous restaurant here in the Las Vegas Strip with indoor-outdoor dining facing those beautiful Bellagio fountains. I've eaten there. There's a video here on the New York channel. No big whoop. Maybe I'll give it another try. That was a Paris sports book, and the Paris is linked via a promenade to its sister property, Bally's Las Vegas, through which it's linked to the Las Vegas monorail at the Bally's and Paris station. The Eiffel Tower tour gift shop was closed when I was here. I don't know why, because it was in the middle of the day, but regardless, if you do take that Eiffel Tower tour to the very top of the tower to get those wonderful views of Las Vegas, by the way, there is a video here on the New York channel. I suggest you come down here and perhaps pick up a souvenir or two. But with regards to those actual Eiffel Towers that they sell here, if you're going to put them in a carry-on, you might have a little problem with TSA. They're very sharp and very pointy. This is Le Cabre Bar, a vibrant lounge serving up refined cocktails and nightly entertainment in a garden-inspired setting. Here we have the front desk or reception area, beautifully lit by some beautiful chandeliers.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
And a shout out to Deborah Camacho, who found Clarice, the Miss America crown, in one of my Atlantic City videos, an evening walk on the Atlantic City Boardwalk. Congratulations, Deborah Camacho, as well as a shout out to Wise Malik, who found Clarice as well in one of my latest Atlantic City videos, the Hard Rock North Tower Corner Room. Congratulations, Wise Malik. This is Vanderpump's Opal. Recently opened. It features delectable dishes, whimsical and unique cocktails, and a lush, elaborate atmosphere with eclectic, Parisian-inspired design details. Want some coffee and French goodies? Come into Cafe Belle. Hey, if you're thinking this video c'est bon, then why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, why not subscribe to the New York channel? It really does help the channel out, as I always say. If you do it right now, I appreciate it. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Bobby's Burgers, pretty much new to the Paris Hotel and Casino, but not new to the Las Vegas Strip. A good burger at a good value. And here's the Bedford by Martha Stewart. As of this video, still not open, and as of the website, yeah, still not open. I don't know what's taking this place so long, but hopefully it'll be opening soon. And right beyond this beautiful atrium here at the Paris Hotel and Casino is the entrance to the Bally's Hotel and Casino here on the Las Vegas Strip. Here we have Gordon Ramsay Steak, a contemporary steakhouse that showcases prime beef aged to perfection in a chic London atmosphere. A new feature on the New York channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the New York channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.